this sound. Now the gimbal is not function anymore. Beautiful gimbal from Zhiyun Crane M3. So you saw many reviews about it, you are excited, you buy it, you get it, but you're surprised with one problem, which is the mode sleep all the time get activated and it's make the sound. I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem so you will enjoy using the beautiful gimbal. So let's get started. First of all, we have to put our camera. For me, I have ZV-E10, so we have to lock it. So we put our camera here and the gimbal, as you can see, even the balance, everything is normal, no problem for now. Okay, and let's turn on the gimbal. So it's work. You see, you go down and you go up here, everything look perfect, right? You start using the gimbal, sometimes it work perfect for a few minutes, sometimes few seconds, then as you see, like normal, nothing wrong. See, totally fine. You can go like this, you can move. See this sound. Now the gimbal is not function anymore. So this one now make the gimbal useless. See, it's hit even my camera. Okay, so now how we will gonna fix this problem? I'm gonna show you guys, don't worry, I get your back. All right guys, so now let's fix this problem together. Okay, so first of all, you have to turn off the gimbal. Okay, shut it down, remove your camera, put it in one side. So unlock all the pen, unlock the pen. Don't keep single pen like locked, unlock everything. Okay, this is the first step here. So the next step, we will put our camera back to the gimbal. Okay, so locked, make sure it will be locked, and see, nothing balance. So now we will gonna balance the camera from zero. Forget about what you did before, this is new. Okay, so what to do, we will balance the camera. Okay, first of all, we will open from here, and I will show you quickly. So the camera, let's balance the camera. So first step, we have to balance the camera front of you straight away. So see, the camera is going down, so make sure to balance the camera. The most important, you get it like straight away first of all. So here, and we do this one. All right, now we get our camera balance in straight way. The next step in the balance is, so put the camera down. You have to again doing the balance, but the camera, it will be up. So what to do in this case, we will open from down a little bit. So we push the camera up too much. This one like this a little bit. Make sure the just it will be, let's say 90% or 99%. Okay, so our camera now will balance. So you will lock from down. It's still falling down, which means our balance is not correct yet. So turn it down, and let's do one thing. So if we do this one, we push a little bit, not much. Okay, almost. Okay, see guys, this is the magic. So the balance, it's straight away. When you turn your camera, the camera is still up. So when you turn a little bit here, it's balance. This one, balance. Let me show you from the other angle. So your camera, it will be like this, straight away. When you push a little bit like this, stay. When you push up, it stays. There's not like balance issue anymore. So this is the first one. Okay, now on the gimbal. So now our camera is balanced. We will unlock the pan and the roll axis. So unlock them. Okay, don't lock them anymore. Unlock. You will listen the sound and unlock from here. This is unlock. So now let's on our gimbal. Okay, let's do the test. See, the camera now start shaking, testing your balance. Okay, it's shaking again. Keep going, keep shaking, baby. Yeah. So now should be fine. So now our camera, see, it's work. And if you go with the other mode, the vortex, boom, vortex mode. The vortex make the camera up, you know already. So portrait, turn around, and we go back to pan follow. See, now it's work perfectly, no mode off anymore. So now the gimbal, it will not shut down. Okay, so like this, now it's work perfect. See, even no sound, no shutdown sound. Down, okay, up, it's not shut down. Okay, now, so there's one thing very important. So if you lock the pan axis and the roll axis, the mode on, it will be activated, then the gimbal, it will be shut down. I will show you. So now it's worked perfectly, right? No shutdown sound. See, if you will just put the lock here, and I will just start moving a little bit with the pan follow. Anytime, any minute, it will be sleep mode. See, and the camera now again have same problem again. So what to do in this case, one more time, if you just do the second mistake, which you shouldn't do it, just pushing the arm button, the gimbal will be activated again, and unlock the pan. So after you unlock everything again, shut down the gimbal, turn it off, turn it on. Now the gimbal again start work. So this guys, how to solve this sleep mode off, and for sure it will make your gimbal, you know, having some value now to use. Sorry, one thing I forget, I didn't do this upgrade firmware, because when I connected to my phone, it's already upgraded, so that was not the solution. I know many people, they will tell you upgrade the software to solve this problem, but trust me, it will depend. Let's say 90% it will not work for you. So this is the solution that I get after many days of frustrated and hard time. I tried everything till I figure out how these things solve permanent for once. So this was the video of today. Hope you find it useful for you, and best of luck to use this beautiful gimbal and take beautiful pictures and videos and be more creative. Okay, that's it. So I'll see you next time, another video. Till that time, take care of yourself and peace.